Hey guys, it's Mike. I just got some parts from K-Tune for my turbo build. I had a power steering line come in and a fuel rail. I have my injectors over here. They're 440 cc's right there. They came with the adapters and the injectors right there. And then I have a laser iridium spark plugs. I'll have all those installed. Let's start with the power steering line over here. We have a sticker they always give you. There's the actual fitting that goes into the power steering pump. That's that. It's very nice. This is the screws that go into there on that side and that side. And then we have the actual hose. I think this is a 10 AN fitting. Not real sure. Don't quote me on that. It might be an 8 AN. That's that. The hose seems to be very, very high quality. It's nice. So we have that over there. We'll move on to the fuel rail. Bring that out. Oop, don't want to drop that. And let's bring this over here. And it's nice boxing. It's that with the foam. I also seem to have a sticker back here. So if I pull it out, there it is. Another sticker by K-Tune. There's that. Now we have our actual screws that go right into, let's pull this out, right into there and there. So those go. And then we have our fittings, which I'm assuming this will go on this side, screw that in, and then it'd be the quick connect right here. I would connect and obviously load your fuel. And this is the other side to plug this up. It has a ring around it to seal it. And that's the back side. It's the side. The top side. You can see the quality is really nice. It's like a brush steel almost. And then we have that side over there. And then of course the part where your injectors go. So pretty nice. Okay guys, I'll have this on, and then when I have this on, I'm also gonna go for a ride. Right now I'm getting the exhaust put on. They're connecting the downpipe. So when that happens, I'll be able to put these parts in, drive it, and then I'll do a driving video of it as well. So that's it for today. Thanks guys.